Riomaggiore is a picturesque hamlet set on a terraced slope high above the Ligurian shore on the Italian Riviera. Riomaggiore is part of the Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is known for its colorful stone buildings that appear to be stacked on top of one another, as well as its harbor filled with traditional fishing boats. It's also one of the most popular tourist spots in the country. The settlement was created in the 8th century by Greek exiles, who wanted to take advantage of the naturally rich soil and abundant sea life that surrounded them. The Riomaggiore we see now, on the other hand, dates from the 13th century. It is located in a valley between two high hills, and is called for the Rivus Major stream that runs through it. Riomaggiore was ruled by the Republic of Genoa, and relied significantly on the surrounding vineyards and orchards to produce wine and olive oil. Tourism is the town's principal industry now, with more than 2 million tourists each year. Riomaggiore is an ideal location for taking in spectacular views and relaxing down to the pace of Italian village life. Take a stroll along the village's main street, which goes down to the sea, where a tiny marina is bordered by gorgeous pastel buildings and brimming with brilliantly colored fishing boats. It's the ideal area to relax and take in the fresh sea breeze. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Sailing or kayaking along the Italian Riviera coast is a popular activity. Also, you can wine tasting tours to the Montenero vineyards and hiking and mountain biking excursion in Cinque Terre National Park, which incorporates all 5 Cinque Terre villages. The day trips to Riomaggiore depart from La Spezia, Siena, Florence and Milan, and usually include stops at nearby Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia and Manarola, as well as Porto Venere. It's wonderful to arrive in Riomaggiore by boat and experience the delight of photographing the village's beauty from the water, but those who arrive in Riomaggiore by car will find the countryside just as beautiful, with the Cinque Terre's distinctive setting viewed from the Litoranea coastal route. This is an event not to be missed. Riomaggiore is known for its wine bars, restaurants and pubs, and choosing one is difficult when you're in town. However, you can't go wrong with the Pie de Ma, an unrivaled sea-view wine bar and gourmet restaurant located just at the start of the Via dell'Amore, Lover's Path. Rio Bistro is a great place to visit if you want good meals. You'll enjoy a superb eating experience in one of the most romantic locations in the world, located over the famed marina of Riomaggiore. Another fantastic restaurant, Daucila, offers romance and great food in the same area as the village's picturesque marina. Riomaggiore, with its jumble of multicolored houses, cocooned between spectacular coastal cliffs and faced by an expanse of blue water, is beautiful from every viewpoint. Riomaggiore, the largest and southernmost of Cinque Terre settlements in northern Italy, is ideal for romantic strolls, coffee in traditional cafes, and bird viewing along the rocky coastline.